The Smart Sync torch for Powermax SYNC plasma cutting systems uses a one-piece cartridge for all cutting and gouging applications. In this short video, we will show you how to properly install a cartridge on the Smart Sync torch. A cartridge can be installed with or without power to the system. If the system is powered off, install a new cartridge on the torch by positioning the cartridge over the brass torch body threads. Once in position, rotate the cartridge quarter-turn clockwise until fully seated. When you power on the system, it will automatically select the correct process based on the cartridge type. You should see the cartridge icon and amperage displayed on the main status screen. If the system is on and you need to change a cartridge, you must first move the torch lock switch on the Smart Sync torch to the yellow or lock position. The status light on the torch will switch from green to yellow, and the power supply will display a 0-50-1 fault code. Point the torch away from you and others and pull the trigger to verify the torch will not fire. Remove the cartridge from the torch with a quarter-turn counterclockwise, then install a new cartridge with a quarter-turn clockwise. With the new cartridge installed, move the torch lock switch to the green Ready to Fire position. The power supply fault code on the display will change to 0-50-2. Pull the torch trigger. You should see the fault code disappear from the status screen, as well as the torch status light change from yellow to green. You will hear multiple puffs of air in quick succession come from the torch. This is a warning to tell you that the torch is on and will fire the next time you pull the trigger. The system is now ready for use. Always remember to use personal protective equipment when using Powermax SYNC. Cartridges are color-coded for easy recognition. Yellow cartridges are designed for hand cutting, which include drag cutting and fine cut. Green cartridges are used for gouging applications. Black cartridges are used for flush cutting and other specialty applications. Gray cartridges are for mechanized applications. However, if you prefer to hold a manual standoff when hand cutting, gray mechanized cartridges are recommended. You can find more cartridge information on the label located on top of the Powermax system or in your operator manual.